pronouncing, I'll start with inner engineering and inner child awakening. It is a science behind our all Vedas. Aham Brahmasmi, Tattvamasi, Kayakave Kailasa. Do what you want to do with your purpose of the life. These are all the Vedas which we learn as a Hindus. We need to know how to pronounce Omkara. We
Sir, there is
need
no
to
sound.
we need to pronounce Akara, Ukara, Makara. That is a primitive word which generated or generating from our sun rays. If you chant Omkara according to Samaveda, you can vibrate your inner engineering, that is inner cells, even your mitochondria, RNA, DNA, whatnot, everything we can have a vibrations. That is vibrational therapy, frequency therapy, sound therapy. Apart from that, now we want to chant Omkar Mahamrutyunjaya mantra according to Samaveda only. Om Trayambhakam Ajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrutyurmukshiyamamrutat. We need to pronounce like this only. Especially Mahamrutyunjaya mantra, which burns our all kinds of diseases. Name itself is explaining Mahamrutyunjaya mantra. It will throw away all our karmas, whatever you name it, that is disease or negative thoughts. It can burn like anything, but you need to pronounce Om Trayambakam Ajamahe Pushtivardhanam Urvarukame Bandhanat Mrutyurmukshiyamamrutat. It is not the way to pronounce. We need to be penetrate deeper into our cells and circulation. It is not just pronouncing words. It is a inner meaning. If you know what it is, every word have its own capacity to generate energy. It is not just words. It is a disease healing power. But many people are not chanting properly. That's why they are not getting proper good result for their life. It can turn, it can change, it can make you to enrich with your knowledge. It is a mantra. Man means our soul, tras, difficulties, which can be able to remove your all kinds of negativity. Om Trayambakam Ajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrutyurmukshiyamamrutat. Om Trayambakam Ajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrutyurmukshiyamamrutat. Om Trayambakam Ajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrutyurmukshiyamamrutat. You can observe your heartbeats, your respiration, your body vibration, your inner engineering. It can change to ultimate level. It can move to the best viable possible extent of the universal connectivity. Just we can able to get connectivity with our universe. That is Lord Shiva, who have the tremendous undefined potentiality. There is no words to define. It is the power of Lord Shiva. We have that much deep penetration into ourselves. That what we need required for the day of Mahashivaratri. This is a day which we need to be. Om Drayambhakam Ajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshiyamamrutat. We need to be have proper pronunciation, and we need to be generate more energy for each and every cell of our body. That is the ultimate goal of our life. If we can able to do with our body, mind, consciousness, all kinds of penetrations and deepest understanding, as well as the essence of our pronunciations should be there with our ultimate goal to reach our destination. Our destination is, we can say it as a moksha, discipline, whatever you may name it, but we need our own law of nature, law of vibrations, law of manifestation, law of attraction. All things are possible with only one mantra, that is Mahamrutyunjay mantra. We are using it for hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy means just if you keep in water in your hand, you chant this mantra, it can get alignment. That H2O become crystallization. If you chant, this is ultimate powers giving mantra. Om Trayambhakam Ajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshiyamamrutat. Just observe your body. Just observe your body. Resonances that resound in your cells, in your body, that is prana, apana, samana, udana, pancha pranas, pancha koshas, annamaya kosha, pranamaya kosha, manomaya kosha, vijnanamaya kosha, anandamaya kosha. We can reach to anandamaya kosha. We can change our vibrations, our frequency to Turiya Sthiti. That is 0 to 4 cycles per second, our body's vibrations. Om Drayambhakam Ajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityor Mukshiyamamrutat. Just observe your body. Attain your peak level of the meaning of your life liberations from all your bad, whatever agama, prarabdha, samchipta, whatever it is, There is no need to say any name or evil things. We can burn all kinds of negativity to positive, and we can align with universal forces. That is Lord Shiva's consciousness. That is one thing where we can japa, ajapa. Ajapa means I am pronouncing, you are enjoying. Without pronouncing, you can able to get that essence. ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, మనం చెప్పాల్సిన పనేనే లేదు. There is no need to say, pronounce. We can enjoy, but we need to align the universe. Apart from our Mahamrutyunjaya mantra, Panchakshari means Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. మనము ప్రతి ఒక్కరి శరీరంలోనూ ఒక అద్భుతమైన శరీర నిర్మాణం ఉంది. ఆ దేవుడిచ్చిన ఈ శరీర నిర్మాణానికి మనము ఏదే విధమైన కెమికల్స్ ఉపయోగించకుండా మన యొక్క ఈ సౌండ్ థెరపీ ప్రతి ఒక్క దాంట్లోనూ మనము సంతోషంగా, ఆనందంగా, తృప్తిగా జీవించడానికి దారి ఉంది అనేసి చెప్పడానికి ఈ శివరాత్రి కూడా ఒక అద్భుతమైన రోజు. ఉపవాసం మీన్స్ వాళ్ళ జతలో ఉండడం. ఎవరి జతలో? ఆ యూనివర్సల్ పవర్, ఆ విశ్వశక్తి అయినటువంటి ఆ శివుడి జతలో మనము మన శరీరాన్ని ఉంచుకోవడం. తప్పక ఏదో ఒకటి, మన డాక్టర్ రంగనాథ్ గారు చెప్పినట్లు, మనం ఎవరొకరి జతలో ఎలాగో కాలం గడపడానికి కాదు. ఇది రాత్రి జాగృత స్థితిలో ఉండడమే కాదు, దాన్ని మనం ఆ శివుడి జతలో ఉండాలి. ఎలా అన్నప్పుడు ఏదో ఒక మ్యూజిక్, ఏదో ఒకటి ఎలాగో కాలం గడపడం కంటే వీఆర్ చాంటింగ్ ಮಂತ್ರಾಸ್. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವಂದನೆಗಳಿಂದ ನೀವು ಸಮರ್ಪಣಾ ಭಾವನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ವೇದಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಉನ್ನತವಾಗಿ ಸಮರ್ಪಣಾ ಭಾವನ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮ ತೃಪ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರ, ಆತ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಶಕ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇನೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವೋ ಆವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಸ್ಥಿತಿ, ಶಾರೀರಿಕ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದೂ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಗಳು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ultimate powers of the universe. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Observe your respiration, observe your heartbeat, observe your circulation. All are innately working on to get alignment. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದೂ ಒಂದು ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆನಿಂದ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಶಕ್ತಿನಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಆನಂದವಾಗಿ, ತೃಪ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ, ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಬಹುದು. ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಈ ಪಂಚಾಕ್ಷರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತ ಆನಂದ, ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋ ರೀತಿ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ರೀತಿ, ವಿಧಾನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಬ್ದಗಳು, ಈ ಶಬ್ದ ತರಂಗಗಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತೂ ಇರುವಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ದಿವ್ಯ ಮಂತ್ರ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿತ್ಯ ನಿರಂತರವಾದ ಈ ಜಪ ವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಚರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರಕ್ಕೆ ಆನಂದ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಉಲ್ಲಾಸ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಧನಾಕರ್ಷಣ, ಜನಾಕರ್ಷಣ, ನಿಮ್ಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಪಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಇಸ್ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಫೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಫೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್, ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನಿಫೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಏನೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ದಂಗಿರುವಾಗ ನೀವು ರೇಖಿ, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಕ್ ಹೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಏನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳೆ. ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಗೋಲ್ ಏನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಶರೀರದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ರೋಗ ರುಜಿನಗಳನ್ನು ದೂರ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಪದ್ಧತಿಯನ್ನು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದೇ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಕ್ ಹೀಲಿಂಗ್, ರೇಖಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಥೆರಪಿ, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಥೆರಪಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಇವೇನೆ. ನಮಗೂ ದಾರಿ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ದಾರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉಸಿರಾಟನ ಗಮನ ಕೊಡಿ, ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಉಸಿರಾಟದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.